Hello, I'm going to explain to you what you need to do for Zoom meetings as long as we are distance learning. Okay, we've done this before. Make sure that you are always checking in with your advisory. Make sure that you are always coming into each class. Otherwise, you're going to be absent, and that goes to the office. So just remember that. I'm trying to help you out there. So if you go into sixth grade, and you're going to go to all the links in Google Classroom, you'll see Zoom link. There it is. All you do is click it, bam, you got the Zoom link right here. Okay, so once you're in there, then I will have a link for you to take attendance. It will be in chat. So as we're getting ready and everybody's coming into class, just click on that Zoom link. It's going to give you, it's going to open up a form. You're going to put your name in there. You're going to put your first name on the first line and then last name on the next one. And then you're going to hit submit. That's going to take care of attendance. You're going to do it only when you're in class. You can't do it otherwise. Okay, that keeps track of attendance. That'll go to the office and you will be recorded. Okay, so just so you know, so number one, come to Google Classroom, click Zoom link, bam, hit it, bam, you're in class, just like you were before. I put it at the top so it's easier to find. Excuse me. Okay, next, when you come into class, in the chat, you will see a link. Click on that link. That link will then take you to the attendance. All it is a form, one of those forms where you stick a name in the first slot, last name in the second one, hit submit, and you're done. Then it'll be easier to start class. Then everybody is on the right track, okay? Might take a couple days to get into that again, but that's fine. And then we'll have class. All right, so we'll see you tomorrow morning. Bye.